If you ever played the game Dungeons and Dragons, or have been interested in it, then you know that it is a very complex task to create a new character. The games also can be quite expansive, and so it can sometimes be easy to lose track of what's going on. My name is Nathan Booth, and my solution to this problem is Dungeon Companion. Dungeon Companion, you can add characters, you can take notes on your dungeons, and you can look up any information that you need from the manuals as they come up. Currently, Dungeon Companion is in development, and so it still has a ways to grow. But it does still allow basic character creation, note creation, and lore searching. So to start, if you click Add Character, it will take you to a screen where you choose your name. I will simply just put in my actual name. And then you choose your level type. After that, it will load in all of the available races for the version of D&D that you're playing, where you can then see their information, get an idea of how your character might look, and then move forward. After this, you're able to choose your class, once again, which will load in based on whatever version you're using, and will show you the relevant information as you go through, so that you can be sure that you make an informed decision on what your character will be. I like playing as barbarians, so I'm going to stick with barbarian. Now for your ability rolls, you normally actually roll dice, and right now what this is set up to do is allow you to enter in those values. So just from a theoretically really awesome rolls, we are going to enter in some values, and whenever you calculate them, it will show you your racial modifier, and it will show you your actual modifiers, and then you continue. From here, we're able to actually specify specific details about our character. And so you put in their gender, their age, their height, weight, alignment, deity, backstory, all of those things that are important to actually giving your character a personality and a true meaning in your game. So give me a minute and we can show you how it looks once you create a character. Of course, we're just doing some sample data here. So if you go into View Characters, then your character will load in. You'll be able to click them and you can see all of the information for them. So you can see their race, their class, their level, of course their name, their ability scores and modifiers, and their details. A similar system is used for your note creation. It's a little less complex as it is one page, but you would simply just say the campaign name, the characters that are involved with it, maybe some NPCs that are in there as well. You could put in your tasks at hand, and you can put in rules. For the sake of time, I will just put in Nathan's rules, but you could be a lot as specific with that as you would like. Once again, if you click View, then it will take you into here, where after loading, you will be able to click on your dungeon. So it's lagging a little bit there. There we go. So there we go. Nathan's campaign, Nathan, Vanyan, Save the Princess, and Nathan's Rules. Now, of course, this app would not be complete without the ability to actually go through the information from the player's handbook. And so, like whenever creating a character, you're able to go through your different classes. You could go through your different feats. Different races. And finally, your different skills. Now, in the long run, all of these will also have separate filters to allow you to actually delve down and find the specific information you would need. You'll also be able to search for different items and spells. Dungeon Companion is meant to be an all-encompassing solution to the problems that are often faced by players of the game D&D. These problems range from just a large amount of information to management of complex items like characters and campaigns. It is meant to make it easier to get into the game, and it is meant to make it more enjoyable and more simple for those who are already well versed in its ways. I hope D&D, I hope Dungeon Companion serves you well as your solution to your D&D needs. Thank you. Bye.